Hey everyone, welcome back to MF Studios. Today, I'm going to show you how to install APK and OBB files on your Android device easily. If you've ever downloaded a game but it didn't work because of missing files, don't worry, I've got you covered. If you don't already have ZArchiver, go to the Play Store and install it. This app helps you extract compressed files like zip and RAR easily. Open ZArchiver and locate the downloaded zip or RAR file. Open the folder. It should have a subfolder. Now, long press the folder and select Cut or Move. Navigate to Internal Storage, Android, OBB. Paste the folder here. If the OBB folder doesn't exist, create one manually. Now that everything is set, open the game and start playing. Enjoy your game without any errors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more